What is going up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. So, in today's brief video, we are going to be talking about trend trading. So, this is when a stock is going in an upward trend or a downward trend, and we can make textbook trades just by judging the trend line. All right, so the first step here is to find a stock, and there's multiple different ways how you guys can do it. But the most common way is to just go on Findes, and you really can only trendline trade for swing trades, just because most setups take a couple days, if not a week, to fully execute the trade here. So this is Findes. I've talked about this stock screener in multiple videos, but what you want to do is you're going to be looking for upward trends, and it's super easy. All you got to go down to is tickers down here and then signal up. So, and then you're going to get all these stocks right here, these top four stocks, these top four stocks that have that channel up. One thing that always is terrible about Findes is the ads. So, you always just got to exit out of it and just kind of deal with it here. But as you guys can see, there's all different types, and they all have an upward trend of some sort. And, you can really just make some good trades off it. So let's look up two of them here. Let's look up NOW. And I already have it up here, as you guys can see. But I have all my moving average lines already on it, and if you guys can see, it never breaks the 200. That's this red line right here. This is the 200-day moving average line. So each time this stock has fallen, it bounced off this. So it really bounces off the 200 or the 100-day moving average when it doesn't fully collapse. But so as you guys can see, you guys can make literally textbook trade just by judging this line right here. But another common way, if you don't want to have your 200-day moving average line, is to draw a trend line. Now, trend lines are super easy to draw. All you have to do is connect all of the low points in a straight line. So you'd click on here and then drag out a line all the way to here, and then bam. So now we have this little bit of a lighter red line is our trend line. See, it doesn't fully collapse here back down, but it does bounce off here. So you could set an alert. You could set one here and here to fully get that. I don't know the word for it, but yeah, so it's super easy. Trendline trading is very simple. So as you guys can see, I feel like if I would hop into this trade, I would be chasing this stock. So what you guys want to do if you're going to swing trade this is all you do is just set an alert. You'd want to set it for the high of 630. So you do that. Create an alert. Gonna find it there for a second. And then create. So now when this stock eventually breaks over this, we can look for that resistant breakout, which is decent, and then we can look for a reversal on it and a couple other plays to see what the stock does. So just from that, we can start making very good trades off it. All right, so the next stock here that is channel up is ADBE. ADBE. All right, so same thing again with this one. This one is up a lot. Let's see, from 180 days ago, it's up about 43%, which is very good. All right, so same thing. Actually, let's just remove this one. That was just to see what the how much it was up percent, but that was not a trend line. All right, so as you guys can see, same thing. never really breaks through the 200-day moving average line. Each time it just bounces off, and then right here it looks like towards the front of the chart here, it did break through, but it immediately retested it. So it broke through this huge gap down. There must have been news of some sort here, and then it did break back through and shoot back up. So as you guys can see, you can literally make perfect trades just by judging these trend lines. So let's see here. Alrighty. So whoops. What? Don't need that. Right. So same thing. You guys can just click on some of the lower points and draw that out. So now you guys can either set an alert when it breaks over to 277, but actually, how much would percentages be? So it would only be a 3% win. Risking would be a little too much right now, just because of how it has previously popped up and fell back down. So we would want to either wait for confirmation or set an alert at 277 or 278. A little above it, it's always better, because then it you get that breakout when you look at it. So that is pretty much how I trade. It's super easy. So all you can do is go on Findes, look up these channel up stocks. There's multiple. These are just some of the top ones. And, you can really just make textbook trades just by judging, those moving average lines, trend lines. It's very, very simple. If you have any questions, you guys are more than welcome to shoot me a message in the chat room or leave a comment on this video. And leave a comment on this video if you ever trade. It's one of the fastest ways to grow a small account for swing trades. So if you have like a $500 account, you can make $50, here and there throughout the week just by these different setups here. So it's super, super, super simple. Alrighty though, that is it. So that's pretty much break back down what I was talking about. So both of these stocks and a majority of these stocks do bounce off this 200-day moving average line. And I have a 200-day, a 100-day, a 20, and then a 9 moving average. The 9 moving average kind of acts as like a VWAP of some sort, but I always leave it as the 9. So that's it though. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive. I hope everybody has a fantastic rest of the week here, and we finish out this week strong and on a green note here. And if you have any questions, like I was saying, you guys are more than welcome to join my free chat room. It's on Discord. I'll leave it down below. And that's it, though. Take care.